We were never the loud ones, just easy in the room. You knew my cup by morning, I knew your coat by noon. No grand parade around us, no fancy words to spin, just two plain hands on hard days and a quiet way to win. Then life came with its changes and pulled your rope from mine. Small talks fell into corners like rain through market lines. We were meant to last in a simple way. We were meant to last, but the miles changed shape. No fire, no fuss, just a steady line. What we built was real, and it still feels kind. Now your name sits gentle on the edge of my mind, like chairs on a veranda, left out after the time. We never made a theater out of what slipped past, just two good souls learning how to hold and let things pass. And if I sound so calm now, it's 'cause I saw it clear. Some things don't need a storm cloud to tell you they were here. We were meant to last in a simple way. We were meant to last, but the miles changed shape. No fire, no fuss, just a steady line. What we built was real, and it still feels kind. I don't carry bitterness, it never fit our room. I still see you by the doorway with that half smile bloom. If our paths keep drifting, I'll bless the ground we knew. Some things only bloom once and still stay true. We were meant to last in a simple way. We were meant to last, but the miles changed.